रहेंगे अपन, जो अपना जो चैनल है यूट्यूब पे वहां पे अपलोड करेंगे. या थैंक्स अभिषेक फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी. या रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्टेड. Yeah. What are the support from June? Personality of respect to domain will be provided to you. Material of specific exam. Okay. We have one Google group. In that Google group, we will provide the entire examination which are available for us. Which material we मतलब कौन सा material हमारे पास है उसके according हम वहाँ पे upload करेंगे. And continuous mentoring throughout the journey, as I already mentioned, right? So these are the useful links. LinkedIn की, Facebook की, Instagram की and YouTube की मैं आपके ग्रुप पे रिस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप पे शेयर करूंगा. And then these are the poster you might seen in previous 3 or 4 days. We are coming up with the initiative, likewise the silent feature, authentic material by the best coaching institute, guidance by the experienced senior from your concerned fields, and to one connection through various sessions. Okay, so these are the calendar. On tomorrow, those who are preparing or those who are aiming for the defense examination, I will share the link from 2 to 3:30. There is a time slot for that examination mentorship. So in that slot, Yash Rathi sir himself guide you from 2 onwards. And the 8 to 10 a.m. session, there is a gate session. There are 4 to 5 people. Me also guiding for the electrical, and other people are like instrumentation, electronics, computer science, okay, CSE and civil के लिए guide करेंगे. Okay, so ये जो रात का सेशन है 8 से 10 बजे है कल, और बाकी जो एग्जाम है उसके सेशन अगले सैटरडे संडे लाइनअप रहेंगे. अपन वीकेंड पे ले रहे सेशन है सभी, तो जैसे जैसे वीकेंड आएगा वैसे वैसे अपने इनिशिएटिव जो अपने क्या बोलते अपने सेशन से वो लाइनअप रहेंगे. ओके, हर वीकेंड पे. So this is Yash Rathi sir, 2019 pass out from GCUEA, INA rank 24, IMA rank 41. So he will be guiding you on tomorrow for the defense examination. So these all are from my side. Okay, so if you have any question, you can raise a hand or put it in a comment section so that I will clear that doubt. Okay, so this is the whole agenda of the career mentorship program. So okay, so yeah, anyone can raise a hand if you have any doubt. Raise a hand or comment in a you can comment in comment section. Am I audible or not? Hello everyone. मैंने सबको म्यूट इसलिए किया है क्योंकि जब मैं बोलूंगा तो आपका सभी का वॉइस आएगा, नॉइस आएगा, इसलिए मैंने सबको म्यूट किया है. ओके, अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप रेज कर सकते हैं, या फिर कमेंट सेक्शन पे आप, ये जो कमेंट सेक्शन है यहाँ पे सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, कुछ भी डाउट हो, ओके, यू कैन रेज हैंड. Don't be hesitate. Be a free frank candidate. Don't be hesitate. You can raise your question. Don't be hesitate while asking a question. कोई नहीं खाएगा आपको, right? There are only 63 attendees here, and I see there are so many people in a group. Only crowd जमा करने का काम किया है इन्होंने, सभी कैंडिडेट्स ने जो भी ग्रुप में है पर सेशन के लिए नहीं आए. Okay, anyways, we will look into this matter. So we are giving so much of effort for you guys only. We are not here to, there is no benefit for us to arranging a session for you. Okay, so from our hectic schedule, we are giving the effort for you calling to the mentors and the arranging the time for the respective mentors of various examination. And you guys are not showing your interest for this initiative. Huge initiative will be shaping the career or the shaping the future of GCU or other colleges also. This is an innovative idea I put forth in various group and also in front of various active members of Jyoth family. So I'm giving the effort for you, only for you. So I also what we can say, maybe आपसे expect करूंगा कि आपसे response अच्छा है, क्योंकि अगर response नहीं आएगा तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है 4-5 लोगों के लिए session conduct करना, okay? Because it is a wasting of time for the mentors as well, and also me and the various people from Jyoth family as well. You can ask any question if you have any question. You can ask. Don't be hesitate. You can ask. Yeah, I'll unmute Lalit. Just wait for a second. Yeah, speak Lalit. Yeah, please unmute yourself and speak. Yeah, Lalit.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. Yeah.
Sir, when are you going to conduct the session regarding UPSC exam?
Okay. From first of all, अपने पास अभी 3 IRS है, IRS पर्सनैलिटीज है, तीनों IRS
Okay.
है, वो भी GCU से पास आउट है. उनका सेशन अपन कंडक्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट या फिर नेक्स्ट वीक, मतलब कि अगले सैटरडे संडे या फिर उसके अगले. So we will inform all this
Okay,
info. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone? I will unmute you all. You can raise your question. I will unmute you all. Yeah. You can raise your question. सबको अनम्यूट किया है, बट बस एक एक करके पूछो. अनम्यूट करो और पूछो फिर, ठीक है? So there are some question in comment section. Yeah. Samiksha, I never thought of doing MTech. Is it really important, sir? I always being a job oriented, sir. Is it my mistake or to think like this? Okay. So these are what we can say. This depend on the candidate. If you are aspiring for the higher studies, then you can go for it. And if you are not, if you are only worrying about the placement, then you can also go for the placement. डेस्टिनी सब एक की फिक्स है, ऐसा नहीं कि प्लेसमेंट मिलने से या प्लेसमेंट लेने से सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता, एमटेक ही करना पड़ता या फिर पीएचडी करना पड़ता. नॉट लाइक दैट. Everyone has their own journey. Just keep in mind, everyone has their own journey, and all are running in their own phase of life. Okay, so don't compare yourself among the other candidates. So if you are aspiring for the MTech, means master degree, if you have a very good command on your subject, then appear for GATE and doing for the MTech. Also, your GATE study will not hamper you while you are appearing for the core companies. If you are from core background, then it will also help you in placement too. Okay, so there is no harm while preparing for GATE. You can always what we can say, आपको GATE की preparation यहाँ पे भी help करेगी. Dhaneshwar, session about placement preparation. Yeah, there are 7 personalities are there for the placement, so don't worry. Okay, from Saturday Sunday onwards, we will start the placement preparation. Don't worry. There are 7 to 8 personalities are there. All are placed in top companies. Okay. So the session are lined up. Don't worry about that. Yeah, can a student join more than one group based on a very varied interest? Okay. Say for placement as well as for defense. Yeah, you can proceed for that. You can also ask a question by unmuting yourself. I had unmuted you all. You can also, yeah. You can also raise a hand or directly speak. Only one by one speak. Don't be. सभी एक साथ मत बोलो, बस एक एक करके बोलो. कमेंट भी कर सकते हो या फिर अपना पूछ सकते हो, अपना क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हो वॉइस से. Don't be hesitate. It is a two-way session, as I earlier mentioned. Okay, so don't be hesitate while asking a question. What other things about me? If I raise a question like that. Okay. So you talk about the taking session on UPSC. Is it about plain UPSC or UPSC ESE? Okay, I am talking about UPSC Civil Services. Also, there are session for UPSC Engineering Service Examination. It is also line up. Okay, I will inform all the calendar once the finalize the personalities for the respective entrance examination. I will inform you all. Don't worry about that. Sir, can session for placement preparation? Yeah. या स्पीक प्रज्वल, मैंने सबको अनम्यूट किया है. या स्पीक. ओके. क्या ललित कुछ क्वेश्चन है आपको फिर से?
Yes, sir. I have one more question.
Okay.
Sir, can I apply for both defense services and UPSC services CSC for at the same time?
Yeah, you can apply for that, but the thing is that आपका मतलब इंटरेस्ट, आपका गोल बस यूपीएससी की क्या है अभी? बस यूपीएससी है?
सर मुझे डिफेंस और सीएससी दोनों देनी है.
डिफेंस और सीएससी?
Yes, sir.
So you are from which background? Which what we can say branch?
Mechanical branch.
Mechanical, right? So you can do one thing. There is a huge difference in UPSC CSC and UPSC ESC, right? So it is not like that. If you are both exam require a specific time. Okay. So UPSC CSC will take 2 or 3 year. Also UPSC ESC take 2 year, let's say. So दोनों का सिलेबस अलग है, तो आप मेरे हिसाब से एक एग्जाम पे फोकस करना चाहिए. I always giving advice to everyone that one exam, one target, one coaching institute, one mentor, all this one. Okay. फोकस रहोगे आप एक ही चीज पे तो आपका रिजल्ट इवेंचुअली ग्रेटर होगा. तो फोकस ऑन ओनली वन थिंग. ओके. तो कर सकते हो आप, मतलब कि मैकेनिकल के इलेक्टिव लेके आप कर सकते हो यूपीएससी में, मतलब ऑप्शनल आपका सीएससी में मैकेनिकल रहेगा ऑप्शनल, और आप ईएससी भी अपेयर हो सकते हो और सीएससी. बट द थिंग इज दैट
सर आई थिंक यू गॉट मी रॉन्ग. सर मुझे ये पूछना है कि डिफेंस की जो एग्जाम है, मतलब जो यूपीएससी कंडक्ट करती है,
ओके
वो और सिविल सर्विस विदाउट
ओके, यू आर
इंजीनियरिंग.
टॉकिंग अबाउट सीडीएस, राइट?
यस सर, सीडीएस.
Okay. No problem in that. You can apply for both.
So actually the syllabus, I have gone through the syllabus of UPSC CDS and UPSC CSC both, and I found it so similar with my aim. So I choose the field that.
Yeah. There are so many my friends are preparing for the UPSC only CSC. Also they are giving the exam that is EPFO and likewise the CDS, which will conduct by the UPSC. Yeah, you can also prepare for that. Don't worry.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah, is there any question? You can raise your question. अगर आपको किसी भी पॉइंट पे डाउट है जो मैंने पीपीटी आपसे प्रेजेंट किया आपके सामने, अगर उसमें कुछ डाउट है आप पूछ सकते हैं. डोंट वरी, कुछ भी किसी भी चीज में आपको, क्योंकि जो भी चीज है वो क्रिस्टल क्लियर होनी चाहिए. देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन रिगार्डिंग यू एंड द इनिशिएटिव. ओके, सो यू कैन ask any question. I am giving you opportunity for asking question, so you can ask any question. Okay, don't be hesitate, be confident and speak out.
So
yeah,
so I want to apply for GATE, ISRO and BARC. So can I apply for both the exams?
You are from which background?
The mechanical.
Okay, yeah, you can देखो कैसे बात है, सिंपल सरल भाषा में, मतलब लेमन स्ट्रक्चर में बता. गेट अगर स्काई है, ओके, लेयर है ना, वो सभी बाकी एग्जाम है. पार्क हो, इसरो हो, ईएससी हो, एसएससी जेई हो, लाइकवाइज. ओके, so if you reach on the top, then you will cover eventually all the examination which come under your syllabus of the mechanical engineering. So अगर आप गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हो तो आपका सभी सिलेबस कवर हो जाएगा. उस सिलेबस के अंडर आप उसी नॉलेज के अकॉर्डिंग आप सभी एग्जाम दे सकते हो. बस फर्क ये रहेगा, सबका पैटर्न अलग रहेगा, सबका क्वेश्चन जो आस्किंग लेवल है वो अलग रहेगा. बट गेट के लिए आप प्रिपेयर करते हो तो सभी एग्जाम प्रिपेयर हो जाएंगे. बट ईएससी के लिए थोड़ा नॉन टेक पढ़ना पड़ता है. That may be the other case. So you can appear for every examination which comes under technical section. Okay, there are some doubts in section.
So that means can I get various mentors for various exams?
Yeah. In mechanical domain, there is a one mentor, that is Saurabh Bagile, who is currently pursuing his master, that is MTech from IIT Bombay. I recently talked with him on yesterday night. He will be ready for you for the mentoring. So right now he is currently pursuing his master from IIT Bombay in energy studies. Okay, so he will mentoring you throughout your journey. Don't worry about that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
There are Dhaneshwar, to whom we have to contact for getting mentor about the particular. You can contact me. If as I earlier mentioned in a group also, if you're in a doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number anytime. I will be replying you. Okay. Session for banking preparation too. Yeah, there are also session for banking. It depends on only response from you. Okay. ये क्या है, ज्योत क्या है, एक उसको क्या बोलते हैं मराठीत बोलतो मी, एक मध्यस्थ आहे, दुवा आहे. कॅन्डिडेट्स आणि मेंटरच्या मधला दुवा आहे. समजलं, दुवा हा खूप जास्त मराठी फॉर्मल झाला. दुवा म्हणजे ब्रिज आहे, तो तुम्हाला जोडते. ठीक आहे. बट द थिंग इज दैट हाउ मच रिस्पॉन्स आप दोगे उस पर डिपेंड करेगा सेशन कंडक्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. ओके. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट, कैट, likewise UPSC also. So we will conduct the session for them. Okay, वो हमारी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है क्योंकि ज्यादा मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट्स है. अगर बैंकिंग के लिए 5 लोग रहे तो कैसे हम 5 लोगों के लिए सेशन कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं, बताओ. ठीक है. तो आपको क्या करना है, इनिशिएटिव को शेयर करना है amongst your friend, colleagues, whichever the background, whichever the college they belongs to. Okay, तो बात ऐसी है. तो बैंकिंग के लिए अपने पास IBPS SBI क्लियर 2 सीनियर है. उसके बाद RBI क्लियर RBI ऑफिसर है, वो भी 2 पर्सनैलिटीज है अपने पास. ऐसे 4-5 पर्सनैलिटी अभी के वक्त में है. ओके. सो देयर इज नो इश्यू फॉर द बैंकिंग प्रिपरेशन आल्सो. द मेंटर विल गाइड यू थ्रू आउट योर जर्नी. आपका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत मैटर करता है किसी भी एग्जाम का, किसी भी सेशन कंडक्ट कर रहे, क्योंकि वी आर गिविंग इनपुट फ्रॉम आवर साइड. वी आर अरेंजिंग दिस होल सेशन. ये जो सेशन मैंने अरेंज किया है, इसके पीछे 2-3 दिन की मेहनत है. ओके. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल दिस स्टफ. 2-3 दिन की मेहनत है, उसके पहले की भी मेहनत है. जो भी सेशन अरेंज करना, मेंटर को कॉल करके पूछना आपका फ्री स्लॉट क्या है, उनसे बात करना. लाइकवाइज. ओके. और मैं अभी मतलब जो मेंटर को अप्रोच करना है वगैरह सभी मैं अकेला कर रहा हूँ. तो मेरा 7-8 घंटे का कॉलेज का लेक्चर है, उसको मैनेज करके मैं एक काम कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. डेली मेरा 7 से 8 घंटे लेक्चर रहता है कॉलेज का. जैसे मैं एमटेक कर रहा हूँ तो उससे जो भी टाइम बचता है मैं आपके लिए दे रहा हूँ.
Hello, sir. I have one more query.
Yeah. Proceed.
Sir, do we have to pay any mentoring fees?
No. अभी तक ज्योत ने कभी फीस ली है ना कभी लेगी. That is for sure. This is the assurance from my side and from the whole Jyoth family side, right?
Okay,
this
sir.
is a free for you all guys. Yeah. My vision is to my vision is to fulfill the mentorship gap which was lagging in my case. Okay. So it is my responsibility to fulfill this mentorship gap and also reshape the future of GCUA. That is my opinion, or that is my motto. There are some other colleges people. I am not strictly domain. मैं अभी GCU के लिए बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप सभी के लिए बात कर रहा हूँ. So don't be angry on that. Okay.
No, sir. Okay. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah. One request, sir, to change this platform, Teams. Yeah, the thing is that Ayush, Teams पे हम recording कर सकते हैं, right? Other platform में recording के लिए screen record करना पड़ता है and all this stuff. तो मेरे college का official account है मेरा, तो मैं इसकी recording YouTube पे upload करना पड़ता है. That's why यहाँ पे session conduct करना पड़ रहा है. Okay. So 1-to-1 session is there for you once the roadmap session will be finished. 1-to-1 session also there. So you can also we will proceed for the Google Meet or Zoom Meet. So don't worry about that. Okay. Mohit, does this mentorship program contains placement program? Yeah. तूने फॉर्म देखा है क्या मोहित? या अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ मोहित. मोहित या तूने फॉर्म ओपन करके देखा है क्या? वो फॉर्म में पूरा मेंशन है. या तू बिजी है, बराबर है. वहां पे सारा मेंशन है, प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट से लेकर यूपीएससी तक सभी मेंशन है.
Yes, sir. I'll check. I'll check.
Yeah. Yeah, if you have any question, you can ask. I will wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will end the session. You can ask. If you are hesitant to speak out, you can ask in comment section. If you are free, frank or confident, you can raise your voice. Only 70 people were joining the meet. Yeah, thank you for putting in so much. Yeah. It's my responsibility. There is no thank you. It is my responsibility. That's why I feel that and started the initiative for you.
So,
Yeah, speak.
सर हमें जो
Yeah, Mohini,
मेंटर्स आप
proceed.
प्रोवाइड करेंगे वो ये 4 मतलब 4 इयर्स तक रहेंगे क्या?
क्या mentorship?
यस सर.
No. The thing is that right now you are in third year or second year.
सर आई एम इन फर्स्ट ईयर नाउ.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, this initiative will going to happen every year. This will not going to end. Okay.
ओके
ये
सर.
खत्म नहीं होगा, एक कंटिन्यूअस मेंटरशिप रहेगी जब तक आपका एग्जाम नहीं होता और ये पूरा लाइफ तक है. जैसे आप जोत इनिशिएटिव या जोत फैमिली से जुड़े हो, once you are a जोत family member, always be a जोत family member, right? In जोत family there is no one chairman, no one CEO, no one managing director. Everyone is a member. Although I am a very old member of जोत, also I am a member.
Hello, sir.
There is no, yeah, Abhishek. Yeah.
Sir, in which year of engineering that you had started your preparation?
Okay. During my 6th semester in between, I started the preparing for the GATE and appear for 2020, but not secure good rank, lack of mentorship, lack of guidance. That's why I wasted my time, resources, and money. Also handle the various family pressure, relative pressure, or likewise thing. 1 year and appear for the 2021 and getting a good rank and landed in machine learning specialization in IIT Kharagpur. Yeah, that's why I don't want to waste your let me speak one line, then you can speak. Yeah, I don't want to waste your whole year, whole time, money, and all this stuff. That's why I started this mentorship program for you. Yeah, speak.
Sir, any mentor is for civil?
Yeah, there are so many mentors for civil also. Don't worry about that. Saurav Kumar is there, who joined the MTech program in IIT Kanpur and left that program for the ESC preparation, and he is right now preparing for the IES examination. Also, there are so many members who is currently pursuing their masters in various IIT. GATE के लिए चिंता मत करो, GATE के लिए मेरे पास 40+ mentor है. Don't worry about that because of my wide connection among the people from our college and other colleges too. There are so many members are there from every background. There are electrical के मेरे पास 20 member है, 20. देखो, GATE के लिए मेरे पास 20 लोग हैं electrical के लिए mentorship करने के लिए. बाकी भी branches के लिए. So don't worry about the mentors. This is my responsibility. I will handle all this situation. Okay. So the thing is, I expect from all of you only the response and the utilization of this initiative for your well-being, for the future shaping. That is only my motivation. That is only my aim. Okay. So don't worry about the mentorship. Yeah, Dheeraj Patil, you are preparing for ESC electrical. Yeah, don't worry. If you first of all cover the GATE syllabus and then prepare for the general services, that is for non-tech syllabus, and proceed for the ESC as well. There are so many questions. Okay. Yeah, I never thought of. Okay, this is covered already. To whom we can contact? Yeah. You can contact me anytime, as I already mentioned. Yeah, there is a syllabus. Yeah, RRB चाहिए, SSC चाहिए. गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करोगे तो ये सभी एग्जाम कवर हो जाएंगे. Don't worry about that. लोग कंफ्यूज है कि आगे क्या करना है उस टॉपिक पर. या जस्ट वेट फॉर मी. पर भी आप गाइड करोगे एंड कि हमें आगे क्या करना चाहिए. या पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट सेशन इज देयर. Gauri, there is a personal development session. In that session, the mentor will guide you how to choose your career after your bachelor. Don't worry about that. Yeah, speak Mohini.
सर क्या हम फर्स्ट ईयर से ही मेंटरशिप ले सकते हैं?
Yeah. You can proceed for that. Start early, gain surely. That is the mantra for you. जल्दी start करो, gain जल्दी करो.
ओके सर.
Yeah, anyone you can ask. Yes, Soham Gutle. Soham.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Is it possible to cover the syllabus of exam during our college, because the subject which in college curriculum is not GATE syllabus? I am in third year, sir.
So you are preparing for which exam?
GATE, sir.
Yeah. So I want to tell you one thing for every GATE people. Yeah. Although it is not a guest session, it's an introductory session. Sorry for. So I will tell you shortly. If you have forget, you should have come on our subject, which was so part of your grade. ऐसे अभी we should transfer.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Yeah, hello.
Now, sir, okay.
Okay, yeah. So you are from which background?
Civil, sir.
ओके. सो देखो, जैसे सिविल में स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग है, रेलवे इंजीनियरिंग है, ठीक है, ये सब्जेक्ट है, ठीक है. उसके बाद बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट है, सॉन्ग वगैरह, मैकेनिक्स है, ऑल दिस स्टफ. सो जैसे आपके प्रोफेसर आकर आपको रेलवे इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ा रहे हैं कॉलेज में ड्यूरिंग सेमेस्टर, तो आपको क्या करना है? सरकारी नहीं पढ़ना है, एनपीटीएल का पढ़ो, ठीक है, ट्रस्टेड और स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक फॉलो करो, थरोली पढ़ो, उसके नोट्स बनाओ, हो जाएगा गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर. लाइकवाइज यू कैन व्हाट वी कैन से, you can arrange your course curriculum input to the gates also. जो भी आप इनपुट दे रहे गेट अपने कोर्स करिकुलम के लिए, उसको आप गेट के लिए कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, आई होप यू माइट क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is there any question? I will wait for a last 4 minutes. If no question comes from you, then I will end the session. You can raise your voice or you can type in comment section. There is no need to raise a hand. You can also directly unmute yourself and speak. Sir, electronics and telecommunication. Yeah. If you are preparing for GATE, the 70% syllabus will be covered for the ESE as well.
हॅलो सर.
Yeah, speak.
सर मला नाही का ESE इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि टेलिकम्युनिकेशन साठी प्रिपेअर करायचं आहे, तर म्हणजे IES म्हणजे ESE चे वेगळे सेशन होणार का, की गेटचे सेशनच आपल्याला जॉईन करायला लागेल असं काही?
As I earlier mentioned, the GATE syllabus, 70% of the syllabus of GATE is common with the ESE, only 30% non-technical and some 2 or 3 subject टेक्निकल you should have to prepare.
Sir,
तर
is there
तुझं
any
गेटचं जे
mentor?
काही प्रिपरेशन
Yes.
what?
Sir, तुम्ही बोला आधी.
ओके सो 70% सिलेबस तुमचा कॉमन आहे गेट आणि ESE चा. फक्त तुम्हाला बाकी जो ऍडिशनल सिलेबस आहे नॉन टेक्निकलचा आणि 2-3 सब्जेक्ट टेक्निकल आहे ते फक्त एक्स्ट्रा प्रिपेअर करावं लागेल. बाकी तुमची जी प्रिपरेशन गेटसाठी आहे तीच तुम्हाला ESE साठी हेल्पफुल राहील. That's it.
म्हणजे सर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मध्ये असे कोणी आहे का ज्यांनी म्हणजे IES ESC मध्ये कम्प्लीट केलं आहे, जे जसं आता तुम्ही गेट दिलेली आहे असं कोणी
Yeah.
जो गाईड करणार, जे गाईड करणार?
Yeah, we are trying for that, but for time being, there is no one who cleared the ESE exam from electronics. But there are so many people who are from GATE. So we'll think on it. We will work on it. If we found anyone from the electronics background who clear the IES examination, then eventually we will arrange the session for you for the ESE as well.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, if you कोई आपके पास अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप रेज कर सकते हो या फिर कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हो. लास्ट 2 मिनट में वेट कर रहा हूँ एंड देन वी विल गोइंग टू एंड द मीट. अगर आप यहाँ पे पूछ नहीं पा रहे हो तो मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे भी डीएम कर सकते हो. Okay, so we will end up the session. Okay, so those who are preparing for the defense examination, we will catch you on tomorrow. So that's all from my side. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Again, I thanks to you all. Yeah, hope we will meet soon on a various session, which we're going to arrange for you all. So that's all from my side. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.